In the Template section, by clicking on the Device button, a new screen named Device Settings appears, in which the default settings for the device are set. If changes are made into this section, clicking on the Save to Template button will save these changes as a template. After confirming the setting, the user can reset the settings saved as the template by visiting the General Test object if any of the rooms and clicking on the Load Template in Device Settings screen. Clicking on the Decimal Places button opens a screen named Number of Decimal Places Settings, where the accuracy of the numbers and the number of digits visible for every parameter are determined. In the Item Type field, if desired section or room is selected. And in the Sample Value field, number has been inserted as an example. The name and unit of the parameter are seen in the parameter name and absolute unit columns respectively. In the absolute ink factor column, the number of digits displayed is specified. For example, if number 7 is entered in this column, 7 digits of the number entered in the sample value are displayed. All changes made on this screen are considered as default with this section in the software and applied to different rooms. For example, if sequencer is selected in Item Type field, by making and confirming some changes in this screen via opening sequencer room and checking decimal places, it can be seen that done setting considered as default. These are several audio files available in the Alert Tone on Hardware Error section in the Preferences screen, which can be used as the alarm tone in case of the hardware error. By activating the Automatic option in the Style of Tables, dimensions of table cells will be set by the software automatically. By activating the Manual option, the user can modify the dimensions of the cells of the tables. In this drop-down list, user chooses how table cells dimensions can be set. In the Height of the table cells for example, by selecting and confirming Manual State and Column Header option. If you visit the Distance room and shot several points, you see the width of each column is equal to the title of its header, and due to selecting Manual State, its dimension is changeable by the user. If Manual is selected instead of Automatic, the user cannot modify that dimensions. In the Key Settings section, by activating the Enter-like tab in the Forms option, the user chooses Enter as the tab key to move between the cells. By activating the Arrow-like tab in the Forms option, the user chooses to move between the cells in the tables by using the arrow keys. By selecting Service System in the Communication Mode section, each of the rooms on the first screen of the software, if opened, will launch as a separate exe file, and each window will be used independently from the windows of other rooms, which will reduce the use of system resources. However, by selecting the Integrated System option, if several rooms are running simultaneously, all of them will be running in the same exe file. In this case, in addition to using more system resources, if a window is running in one of the rooms, the other rooms and the screens of the software will not be usable.